There's a white card. Again, a quick white balance for when I go in color grade. So quick tip, get yourself a little white card thing. Hey, what's up guys, Danny Gevirtz here. And before we get started, check out this video.
Walk in the room, I run the room, everybody point and they zoom, they stories boom and they never cap cause I break through, baby boom. Other boys wanna make me Betty Boop. I'm a boss, tell them not today. Swerving on these chickens, cluck out my lane. I'm a boss, out my way, or just do every little thing that I say. You better tell them who's the boss, me. You better tell them who's the boss, see. You better show them who's the boss. They'll stop and awe when they see me pull up looking flossy. You better tell them who's the boss, me. You better tell them who's the boss, see. You better show them who's the boss. They'll stop and awe when they see me pull up looking flossy.
So yeah, pretty cool video, right? If you disagree, feel free to stop watching now. And for those of you who agree, let's keep talking. So a brand, Lululemon, which a lot of you have probably heard of, reached out to me and was like, hey, can you shoot the photos for our entire Philadelphia region's ambassadors? Obviously said yes, even though I'm not a photographer, and I agreed to pretty much 30 photo shoots. And what those photos essentially were gonna end up doing was being on the walls in all these individual Lululemon stores around the entire region. Your boy's actually a Lululemon ambassador, which is awesome because yes, I do fitness stuff, but I'm not like a fitness professional, obviously. But Lululemon is such a cool company that they asked me to be one of their creative ambassadors. So I've been doing a little bit of work with a local store for a while now and got to know the team over there and they really liked the work that I was doing and they were like, hey, we want you to promote our brand. So how sweet is that? I have like a endorsement on this Lululemon. I'm actually wearing Lululemon pants right now. I pretty much only wear Lululemon pants these days because they're honestly probably the best pant experience I've ever had in my life. From a perspective of fabric to leg, it's just a great experience overall. So yeah, moving forward, I was going to have 30 photo shoots. Don't promote myself as a photographer, so I was trying to think to myself this is a huge project. I'm gonna be spending a month doing these shoots. What can I do to help promote my cinematography? I figured that maybe I'd bring my camera to all these shoots since we're gonna have the people there, we're gonna have the locations already figured out. There wasn't much extra planning that I would have to put into from a film perspective. So I ended up bringing my C200 to 10 shoots. And so I would do the photo shoot and at the end I'd be like, hey, do you mind if I just get a few quick shots with my video camera? Might be making something at the end. I had no idea what the actual video was gonna be at the end of the day, but it'd be cool to just get this footage and have it and possibly make something. So I literally just, at the end of each photo shoot, took 2 or 3 shots of 10 ambassadors. So at the end I had, a handful of clips, no idea what I was gonna do, but I had a ton of really cool photos. And I was like, how can I incorporate my video with these photos and make it super fun and something that people could share and people could get excited about. And so I came up with that video that you saw at the beginning of this video. So why am I making this video other than I just wanted to show you the cool video at the beginning that I made? I don't really know. I don't really know what the purpose of this is or what the lesson is. Maybe it's go the extra step and create something that you weren't asked to create and you'll end up with a really cool project that you can share with people. And that's just one more thing to add to your website, add your portfolio, just keep you relevant in the creation world. I think another lesson, if we're really pulling for lessons here, would be even if you don't have a ton of resources, a ton of crew, I didn't have any lighting on this project, you can still make really cool things just by being creative and doing something unique and different. So I think what I made was pretty cool, unique, and different, but it's for you to decide, ultimately. It's all subjective. Let me know what you think of it. If you thought it was cool, thought it was a good idea, let me know. If you thought it was a stupid idea, again, I don't know why you're still watching this video. Move on, carry on. Anyone knows that I have over 10,000 subscribers now? What? Can't believe that many people care about what I have to say, so thank you for caring. Yeah, I guess that's it, guys. Talk to you next time. See ya. Have fun. filming your next project and stuff. So talk to you later. Bye.